Hi guys, what is up? If you are new, welcome and hello. My name is Xiao. I do painting videos, DIYs, life hacks, and vlogs. So this video is a DIY. I had a bunch of sweatpants just laying around not being worn. So I thought, well, instead of just throwing it away, I'll just make them into skirts. But since they're sweatpants, sweat skirts. There's already a bunch of tutorials on this, but I hope you guys can watch this, enjoy my tutorial video. So without further ado, let's go right into it. Alright, the supplies that you will need: any shorts or pants that you want to convert into skirts, a sewing machine, or you can sew by hand with the needle and thread, scissors, a Sharpie, and a seam ripper. Okay, here's what the pants look like before. Alright, so I'm just taking the Sharpie and marking where I want the length to be for the skirt. I forgot to mention you need a ruler so that you can have a straight line for when you cut it across. Line up the other pants leg together and make sure it's flat so that you can cut out the other pant legs. Alright, now your pants are shorts. Use your seam ripper to take out the inside stitches to the crotch and down to the other leg. And I'm just taking out the loose threads here. Okay, now turn it inside out. Okay, so take the side seam and you're gonna line it up in the middle. And you want it to be nice and flat so that you can draw a line on that side and then on the other side. Alright, let's get sewing! Alright, so here I'm just cutting off the thread so it's not too long. Cut off the excess fabric, not too close to the stitch, because it will come undone. And now turn the skirt inside out. Alright, let's go see the before and after. guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Upcycle DIY video. And if you want to see how I styled my skirts, let me know down in the comments. And you know, I have so much leftover fabric too. I don't want to waste them or throw it away, so give me ideas on what I should do with these fabrics. Let me know in the comments. I look forward to reading what you guys say, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!